needs to do.
Okay, so this is the new part. Which was the part actually? This is the C15. What was it?
C1.
Okay, so there's one more book we have to make because we just made one book to cover the machine.
Yeah.
Now we have to put one more book on top.
Like this.
Exactly. So I think that is covering the whole machine from the front. So okay, now we know the logic, right? So we can just fast make it. Okay, let's.
Come on, Papa. You can do number 2, 3, and 4.
Yeah.
Okay?
So today we can do only number 2 and 3, right? So we just
4.
make 4.
3 and 4.
Where it is 4?
3. This is so small. And 4.
Okay. No, 5 it is starting here.
Oh, okay. Then 4.
Oh, there is a lot of gears. Look. Oh my God, this is gonna be
Oh
exciting.
my
Oh my God, there are
God.
small tiles, small parts, very small
If you
parts.
can see it. Here are very small tiles.
Yeah, they are very small parts. Not this one, not this here, not here, not here, not here. It is there all parts.
No, right?
No, okay.
Oh my God.
Yeah, show that part. Ah, here.
Oh, it's so
Gears are here. All gears are here.
Oh, it's okay, guys. Here. Look.
Yeah, show me 1 minute. Let me find where is G1.
G1.
Yes. Oh.
Okay, it's very big, guys. This is G1. If you guys want to see, let's just. Okay, I'm kind of scared.
No, why it is not breaking?
I'm so scared right now. Oh my God.
Yeah, show me. Wow. So this
And
is
it's
the
very
G1.
spiky.
So this we got now, and then we have P2. No, that is not P2.
That
no.
is P2.
No, I don't think so.
That is P2.
Oh yes,
Yeah.
this is P2.
Because there's the little spiky thing below.
Yes, this is the P2.
Oh, Papa, where's that plastic tile? We need that. We need that plastic. What is that again? Plastic tile. What is that?
So, according to our theory, when we finish our any step, yes, you see it's turning. It's turning.
Oh.
Yeah, keep it down. Nice.